Welcome to the channel, guys. This is Robin Elliott, better known as Cayman Spider, and I got a new product for you today. This is something totally new, kind of starting a new line right now. This is for the Porsche Cayenne. This is the new digital cluster that fits the 2011 to 2017, possibly the 2018. I have a 2018, so I will be testing this to see if it works on the 2018, which I think it will, because the factory cluster is the same part number as the 2017 and prior. So I'm going to be testing this and installing it in mine and giving it a full review and everything. But I wanted to introduce this. This is really neat. Now, I do have all the protective stuff on here, so it's not going to be as clear. But I'm going to also show a demo and some screenshots, but some demo of how this all works and everything. So what you get in the package, you're going to get the cluster itself, and then on the back here, you'll see it's just plug and play. So it simply plugs into the factory harness here, and then this is for updates, so future updates. And I'm going to be able to kind of do some customization on this, which is going to be really cool. So it's going to be kind of a really neat upgrade. I've seen the videos of it already, and I'm excited to get it installed and try it. So what you get with it, obviously the cluster, you get, this is the bottom piece. So this is going to go where your, I guess, where your switch is to turn it on, your key, I guess. This goes onto the steering column. This is a new piece, it just snaps in. So it's going to be the shape of this to fit it in into the dash. So it's really nice. This is leather here, so it's very, very nice quality. You're going to get your USB cable that plugs into the back there for future updates, which are super easy to do. So this is a Linux system, so they're very easy to update. This is going to be the filler piece that's going to go, I believe, up top. So it comes with everything. Like I say, this plug and play, this whole installation will probably take you around 30 minutes or so. I will test it out, but I'm guessing around 30 minutes is all the install is on it. So let's go ahead and I'll put up a video and kind of show you the different screens. So this basically, everything changes in the center here. It's really cool. You're going to have all your same functions and features and some of the same looks and everything that you could put in here, but it's totally customizable, and you'll be able to pick different, like turbo or GTS or whatever up here. So you could customize the look and a lot of neat things you could do with this cluster. So here is just a sneak peek of the kind of the look of it and everything. Now this is just, I'm just touching on this. I will be doing an install and showing it exactly how it works. So just wanted to kind of give you a little sneak peek and kind of show you that how it shows some of the stock features and stuff and how you could customize it. So there you go. So this is going to conclude this video. I will be doing a separate video on the installation and an actual demo in my car. So once I get this finished, this is kind of an introduction. I will do a full demo and all the features and everything on it, but you saw what it looks like installed in a vehicle and kind of gone through some of the different screens, but I'll do it in and explain everything myself. So if you're interested in purchasing this, it is on my website at www.elliottmotorsports.biz. It is available for sale. Now, I don't have very many in stock right now, so if you do order it, it may take 7 to 10 days to get them in, but I'm going to try and stock these at all times. We do have the Chinese holiday coming up, so there's going to be about 20-25 days of absolutely no orders being placed. They'll be put in a queue, but I won't be able to give them to them for processing. So just kind of a heads up on that. Like I say, if you have any questions or comments or anything, let me know. This is also going to be fitting the Porsche Panamera soon, so that's going to be really nice. You can get a hold of me on through my email at caymanspider @gmail.com. I'll have links and everything below to my website, to my email, and if you have any suggestions or any comments, go ahead and leave them at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.